Morning, algebra students. We are continuing on. Okay, everything's set. If you didn't watch and do yesterday's assignment, please double check and do that before you begin, because these are warm-up ones. Okay, so for number one, absolute value of x equals 7. Remember, as long as it's a positive 7, we're just going to say x equals 7, and x equals negative 7. That's the easy kind. On the number line, I have a negative 7 to the left, and that would be my answer for number one. Number two, I get x minus 1 equals negative 2, and I go, wait. It equals a negative 2. Can't happen. That's a no solution. And the last one, I say x plus 3 equals 10. And x plus 3 equals negative 10. Okay, I'm going to minus 3. And I get x equals 7. And minus 3 again. And again, this should be a review from yesterday. X equals negative 13. On a number line, my negative is always smaller than my positive, and that's what I do. Okay, so that should be a review. Now, here's the only thing. Write these down along with them. Number 3, please note, do you see this negative 4? Do not distribute it. That means negative 4 times everything. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. I want to make this an absolute value equation, okay? Which means only an absolute value, okay? So I still have the absolute value of 7 minus 6k, and then in my calculator, I took 14 divided by negative 4, and I got negative 3.5. Now, this is when I write two equations. So I write my first equation, 7 minus 6k equals, negative 3.5. This actually made my life a lot easier. That can't be a negative. Before that, it could. That can't be, so this is a no solution. Now, number 5. Again, do not distribute that 3. We're going to have to divide by it, but think of this as 3 times this whole thing. So first thing I'm going to do is minus 10. Okay? And I get 3 times the absolute value of 2x plus 5 equals 27. Okay, now I need to divide by 3 on both sides. Okay, and I have the absolute value of 2x plus 5 equals 9. Now it is an absolute value equation, so I write 2x plus 5 equals 9. It's positive, so I'm still good to go. 2x plus 5 equals negative 9. Whew. This is going to be a doozy one. Minus 5, and I got 2x equals 4. Divide by 2, and I got x equals 2. Now I just have to do the other part. Minus 5. Be careful on this one. I get 2x equals negative 14. Divide by 2, and I get x equals negative 7. So both of those answers. On the number line, I would have negative 7 and 2, and dot them both down. Okay. So you got to get rid of everything other than the absolute value thing. And then you split it out. They're going to be doozies. Okay. What would you do here? Okay. First, I would, minus 5, okay? And I get the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 4. And now I split it out. It does equal positive 4. So I'm good to write down my two equations. Okay. Then, now I'm going to add 2. And I get x equals 6. And I'm going to add 2 here and I'm going to get x equals -2. Both of those answers work. Now, the next one looks tricky because of this -4. But remember, first I have to add 10, so I only have the absolute value left. That's all I want. So I have the absolute value left. Oh, and what do you notice? It's tricky because when I now look at the right side, now it's a positive. So that means I can do it. So I have 6 and 3x plus 9 equals -6. That's the tricky kind that we want to put no solution on it right away, but no, no, no. Okay, -9, and we get 3x equals -3. So the side x equals -1. Okay, and again, I'm going to -9 again. Be careful. 3x equals -15. Okay, and x equals -5. So those are my two answers. If you want, you can always double check, substitute both of those in, and that equation should still work. Same thing here. If I substitute them in there, that equation should still work. Okay, if you want to try these, please note, first thing you got to do here is divide both sides by 4, and you get the absolute value of 2x plus 7 equals 4. Then you split it, okay? What would you do here? Oh, this is a double doozy. When you add 3, okay, I have the -2, 5x minus 1 equals, what is 11, -11 plus 3? -8. Okay, it's a negative, but we didn't finish yet. Now I have to divide by a -2. So that gives me a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. So now I write two equations. 5x minus 1 equals 4, and 5x minus 1 equals -4. And we do it over and over and over. That's the different part today. Okay, here's your homework, page 32. It's attached. Check your answers before you do the formative. Ask me questions. I do want to, 27 through 30, here we go. This is a little weird. They are matching. So again, please remember, there are going to be 4 units from our center. And remember yesterday, this means it starts at +2. And then it's 4 units either way. So look at 29. C is actually the answer because it starts at 2 and it's going 4 directions in either unit, either way. It looks weird because we actually want a minus here. Be careful. Think of this as minus a negative. So where is that going to go on a number line? But this will still be 4 units either way. Okay. This is going to be at 4, +4, and 2 units in either direction from 4. So just be careful on those matching ones, okay? Please let me know if you have questions. If not, bring those questions in the next time I see you. Have a great day, all.